Morning, everyone. It is morning here at Jefferson First Period Plan. We are doing our Redi Jar observation for day 2 right now this morning. But the first thing you need to do is go grab your lab sheet, your Google Doc from yesterday. And I know I went over it in class yesterday with those that were here, but how do you do that? If you don't know where your Google Drive is or how to find your Google Drive, open a new tab and go to drive.google.com, and that will pull up your drive, and you should be able to pull up your lab sheet. So pause me for a second, go grab your lab sheet so you can make your observations as we go through. I've got my jars. We set them out last night, and we have some critters in here this morning. Kind of gross. They smell horrible. You do not understand the smell that is coming from these jars, and I'm sure will only get worse. But here is your first jar. This is the open jar. So here's open jar. Let me get it in front of the camera. Top view. You can see a little bit darker than yesterday. Definitely smells worse than yesterday. And you can tell we had some ants come into our jars last night. And some of them are still there this morning. So this is open jar, day 2 observations, writing down what you see if you want to pause and count how many ants were in there. Quantitative data. Oh, there's one hanging off the bottom of the jar. Where'd he go? There he is. We'll get rid of him. I don't want him running around my room. Okay. Qualitative is your descriptive words. Quantitative is those numbers, so you could definitely, if you wanted to, count to see how many are there. Not that you have to, but go ahead and add your observations for day 2. Okay, that was the open jar. Here comes your netted jar. Netted jar. Okay. Oops. Get it up here where you can see it. These guys also had gotten into here, so we'll see. You can see some ants there. Oh, if I can get over, you see them, the little black dots there. Okay, going right down your observations, day 2 for your netted jar. And the last one is the closed jar, the sealed jar. And here you go. Here is your sealed jar observations. A little clearer today. It's not quite as like condensation on the sides of it. If you can't tell that in the video, it is definitely a little bit clearer today than it was yesterday. A little bit easier to see it. There's the bottom for you. I'm having problems orienting to the camera. There you go. A little bit of a top view if you can kind of see that there. Our jar for the closed. Okay, go ahead and make sure you're writing down your observations of those jars. Rewind it, go back, pause it wherever you need to. And Google Docs automatically saves, so you don't have to worry about saving anything from that you're recording today. It's automatically going to do that. Okay, we'll see what happens on day 3.